Hello kids, good morning. Welcome you all in DAV Mall Public School Sita Songi in the e-learning session of pre-primary section. So let's start our e-class. Today's topic is e-sound story. And in the last video we learned alphabet E with words and with sentence. Today we are learning sound story. So let's start our e-class. Look at this is alphabet E, capital alphabet E and small alphabet E. We learned in the last video also. Now let's start our sound story. Kittu. Kittu has two eyes and Bittu has two ears. Elephant is the friend of Kittu and eagle is the friend of Bittu. Bittu has 11 eggs and Kittu has 8 erasers. She was very happy. She went outside and she saw a railway engine. She had an idea. She sat on the railway engine and kept the envelopes on it and had a tour on the earth. And she becomes very happy. Kittu became very happy. This was the sound story of alphabet E. So kids, you have to learn it. This is your homework. You have to write it on your page, on your notebook. Alphabet E, capital alphabet E and small alphabet E. Bye. Thank you. Have a nice day. Meet you again in the next video.